Hello everyone, I'm Sébastien Cross, Senior Product Manager at Prose, and I want to present a new feature of the 2023 summer release of the Prose platform about subscriptions. You are already familiar with the two selling scenarios supported by Smart CPQ. Spot orders, where sales rep can add products and services to a quote and negotiate their price and discount for a one-time buy experience. And sales agreements, for which a sales rep negotiates all or part of the portfolio of products for a given customer or distributor in order to create a contract that will become the pricing reference for future transactions. Today, I'm excited to introduce a new selling workflow about subscriptions. Its purpose is to negotiate subscription contracts for products and services requiring a recurring billing. This new workflow can be split in two distinct steps. First, the pricing analyst executes the pricing strategy by defining rate plans and charges to associate with subscription products. And then the sales rep subscribes to products and services, negotiates terms, and manages the lifecycle of the resulting subscription contract. When it comes to CRM partnership and integration, we have out-of-the-box solutions and packages for both Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics. We are already able to support spot order and sales agreement scenarios on both CRMs. When it comes to subscriptions, our solution is already available in Dynamics as it has been delivered in the Spring 2023 release. The great announcement I'm excited to make today is that it is now also available on Salesforce with exactly the same level of functionalities. Smart price management is used to define pricing strategies for subscription contracts and to manage subscriptions information in CPQ. From there, the pricing analyst can create rate plans, including eligible renewal and cancellation terms, and charges that can be one-time, recurring, or usage-based. You can also associate rate plans to existing products so the corresponding terms and charges can be applied at the time of quoting. Finally, you can price charges for each rate plan associated with a given subscription product through master price lists. Let's see that in action. For this first demo, I want you to meet Priya, the pricing analyst responsible for subscriptions pricing and packaging of security solutions in the product marketing team. Her journey starts in Smart Price Management with the definition of a rate plan for a home security plan. The rate plan is defined by a name and a version number. Then, Priya just has to build the pricing strategy of this plan by selecting the renewal and cancellation policies available to sales rep, and identifying the pricing levels and dimensions associated with that plan. Finally, she can define the charges should they be one-time, recurring, or usage-based. Once done, the rate plan must be published to be available. The second step consists in associating that rate plan to an existing product in the system and enable it so it can be retrieved by sales reps when creating deals. And finally, Priya just needs to complete the workflow by pricing the various charges of the plans she associated with subscription products in a dedicated master price list she will then publish. Now that the pricing is completed, the subscription strategy is available to sales reps. The only thing they have to do with their customers is to create a quote in Smart CPQ from their CRM to support the creation of the subscription contract. For that, they can browse the catalog and subscribe products. They can select a rate plan and renewal and cancellation policies for each subscribed product in the quoting interface. And they can negotiate a fixed or scaled price for each subscribed product charge. Back to the CRM, that's where sales reps will be in position to get the quote approved and create a subscription contract on that basis. Later on, Depending on the relationship with their customers, sales reps will be able to update or renew the contract based on the content saved in Salesforce and on the negotiated renewal policy. To illustrate that phase of the subscription workflow, I want you to meet Sebastian. He is an account manager working in the same company as Priya and responsible for the East Coast sales region for security solutions. Sebastian has this new clinic as a customer for which he has to propose a security plan for their whole building. Let's see how we can do that. Sebastian starts from Salesforce by creating a subscription quote, leveraging the standard Salesforce managed package integrated with Smart CPQ. He can define the contract terms right from the interface, including start date, term duration, and default policies, and then switch to Smart CPQ. In the quoting interface, he can browse the various collection of the catalog for the right security plan and add it to the quote with the necessary equipments like sensors and cameras. Smart CPQ offers to define several views on the quote. In that example, you can negotiate independently standard equipments and subscription plans via different views of the same quote. Once in the quote, Sebastian can select the right rate plan and charges for the subscribed product and compare both plans. He can then make a choice with his customer and remove the other plan. He can also negotiate the price of each charge of the remaining plan. Once done, he just needs to close the quote to sync its content back to the CRM. The Pro subscription package natively includes a subscription panel with contextualized actions, including an action to create a subscription contract, embedding the contract terms and the subscription products from the quote. Note that no standard item is included in the contract during that operation, only subscriptions. The corresponding subscription contract, products, and charges are created in Salesforce and are the new source of truth. Once close to the end date of the contract, Sebastian will be able to open the contract in Salesforce and trigger a renewal process from the subscription panel. A quote will then be created with the eligible content based on the negotiated renewal policy to support the renewal workflow. Sebastian will then have to follow the exact same steps as before to create a renewed version of the initial contract. Today, you have seen the Pro Subscriptions package integrated out of the box in Salesforce. You have seen that you can use it to manage the subscription contract lifecycle in the CRM. This is part of the 2023 summer release of the Pros platform. Thank you for watching.